welcome. I have this Series 65A, short form. Are you serious? I can edit that. So, this is a Series 65A American. It's basically like a Series 65, but it's American. Oh, and the brand is Apollo. I'm not gonna show you the base because if I show you the base, I'm gonna. Oh my god, there it goes again. Then it might show my face, and you can always you can find a filter on Instagram. So this it has a LED right there. Yes, I got this like Wednesday, but this is just a quick video of it, and I now have this back. This was stuck on a wood board, but I'm still sticking to this cardboard board. But thanks for watching. Bye. I might get a heat detector. Actually, maybe a sounder base.